Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable Mac clone on your TP-LINK Deco X50. So first, you guys want to go over to more in the TP-LINK Deco app. Now here, select Advanced, and here we will have the Mac clone. Now, basically, you can only enable it when your ESP basically allows the internet access from a specific MAC address. So I also cannot enable it due to me not being connected with the router, but after that you will simply need to enable it and then click save right here. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.